to Polio 24. Today I show you the brand new Seagull Red Star chronographs with a full bronze case. We discovered these new bronze watches in Hong Kong at the watch fair, and we are happy to have them now on stock. This is the 40mm sapphire version with a green dial and the luminous hands. The crystal back has a stainless steel edge, so there is no body contact between bronze and the skin. And this is the 38mm, perfect for smaller wrists. This is the clean green dial, also full bronze watch case and sapphire crystal. So now we have these Seagull Red Star chronographs in several dial colors and bronze case. They have all the Svenneck fine regulation. We test every watch carefully on our time grapher before shipping, and here you can see the column wheel. So I hope you enjoy the new bronze watches like we do.